So first of all, let's talk about how to get a list of locally installed Python packages, or let's say Python modules. In order to do so, I import a package called package resources. And remember that this package is a built-in package in Python. So you don't need to install this package because it's a built-in package. And then I simply type package resources.working set. And this piece of code returns the installed packages. So I stored that in a variable, let's say called installed packages. That's it. And then I want to use a for loop. So for every package in the package list in install packages, I want to print that package. And if I run the code, you can see here's the name of package and here's the version. And remember that I can also customize the output format. So in order to do so, I want to use the fstring, and then for example I want to have, first of all, I want to have the name of package, so I simply type p.key, which is the name of package, and then I want to put two equal sign, and then for example I want to put the version of that package, so I simply type p.version, package.version, and if I run the code, you can see here's the name of package, p.key, and two equal sign, and then we have p.version, package version, the version of each package. But now maybe you ask, how can we sort these packages based on their names? So in order to do so, we can use a function called sorted, and I should pass the install packages to this sorted function. And if I run the code, you can see here's the output. But as you can see, these values are sorted based on the values, the versions, not based on the key, the name of packages. So we want to sort all the packages based on their names, not their versions. So in order to do so, we can pass another argument, which is called a key. And then I want to use a lambda function, and I want to simply say for every package, x is a input for our function, and it is every package. So for every package, let's say called x, we want to sort all this stuff based on their name, x.key. So now if I run the code, you can see the installed packages have been sorted based on their names. But in order to get the list of all packages, whether they are built-in packages or installed packages, you can use a function called help, and you can pass modules. And if you run a code, you can see here's the output. And for example, in this list, you can see random package, which is a built-in package in Python. And also you can see NumPy, which is an installed package. So that's it. Now I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.